What up, y'all? San Diego's been crazy with these floods lately and the weather. It's still not the greatest. It's been on and off drizzling all day, but I've been dying to ride, so we're gonna bring out the DRZ. I changed the name of the channel to Moto Thrashing because I don't have a Grom anymore. As you can see, I got rid of my Nightster, I got the Lowrider S, and then I got a DRZ now. So all of our content's gonna be just basically any motorcycle content. It was fun, it was an experience, and I just needed more, and the DRZ is like a fucking Grom on steroids. I've already got a bunch of shit for her. Got the same one finger clutch, stunt clutch as I had on my Grom. Threw a new headlight number plate on here with the LED headlight. Some new grips on there, advanced Colt grips. Got a new brake lever, Moto pegs. There's my little Eddie sticker. Bar pad, the turn signal strips on there. Do need to put an exhaust on this thing. It's so quiet. I can't stand it. I fucking love this thing. I love that when we're mobbing around, when I go home, I don't have to take the streets the whole way home. I can just pop on the freeway a couple exits. It's obviously not the best bike for the freeway, but it gets you there. Yeah, fool. Yeah, it's a 2024 DRZ400sm. Eventually I'm going to do the 3x3 mod, exhaust, rejetting. I got a bunch of stuff for it, and now I'm kind of focused on Lowrider S. So I've been putting a lot more work into that to get it done because it's more expensive. I figured I'd just get it out of the way. Everything for this is pretty cheap. I may get an exhaust before I'm done with the Lowrider S, but I did get a bunch of stuff to make this at least more comfortable to how I like riding for now. I can't stand the stacked clutches, so I'm glad I got my one finger clutch again. The balance on these things is insane. Like, even when I'm standing still, I don't need to put my foot down. You can literally just lean side to side. Like, the balance on these things is literally like the best balance I've ever felt on a bike. I am 5'5", so I'll be tippy-toeing at stoplights. Oh my god, you cut the sticker?
Because I couldn't. Shut up.
Why didn't you put it on your visor?
Because, like, I couldn't see.
I see perfectly fine with mine.
I don't like it. I had to look up like this to see lights. Not stoked on it. So what are we going to do? I kind of want to do some dirt.
Some dirtin'?
But it's all moist.
Me and Seth and Alex tore it up at like 10 o'clock at night in wet fucking dirt, bro. I can take you to the trail that you never hit that was in my last vlog that I hit before. You know what I mean? That's the dopest trail I've ever rode so far.
Is it gnarly though? Like scary?
No. And I just rode it at 10 o'clock at night with Seth and them again.
I want to try these tires out. They're saying they're 50/50.
They look more like street tires.
It feels so good on the street, dude.
They look grippy. Sick.
Yeah, they're broken.
You got your rain pants on?
One hanging, yeah.
I got underneath.
Thought Will scrotum was good.
We're gonna climb that too in a bit.
I'll hold the light.
You're stupid. You're coming with, bitch. Woo! Woo! Yeah. Yep. Be careful. It's about to get slippery. It's about to get slippery. Oh, it's slippery. Woo! Alright, you ready? Alright, here goes nothing. Ah! It's fucking wet as hell right now. Oh! I'm gonna have to fucking wash my bike again. I just washed it from going through here. I'm trying to avoid it, but you got to be careful because it's also slippery out of it. Oh, come to the. Oh! Oh! Holy fuck! Look at my tire tracks, bro. I slid around everywhere. I was just wandering. Oh, my bike is sliding out, bro. Holy fuck, I just slid around everywhere. Damn, your bike goes across easy. My shit was fucking...
I honestly think my tires are better than yours for that.
Yeah, because I have slicks. Woo! Woo! Oh! To the left. It comes out. I'm not using my brakes. I'm just using my clutch. Woo! Uh-oh. Oh! Oh! It's just muddy. Oh! Oh, sliding. There's a pretty gnarly ending, but I've already done it on my ground, so you should be good. I'm gonna go into it. Ugh. I think so. If I had dirt tires, I would have gone around it, but I'll slide out going around that shit. You got mud sprayed all up in the back of that thing. You got a whole ass tree in the back of it. Damn, bro, your shit had diarrhea. Oh, oh, ow, ow, oh, fuck. Get in the ravine. Woo! Fucking sliding. Once you get across, you're out. Hey, here goes nothing. DRZ, baby! You made it? Hell yeah! You ready? Woo! That's just fun, huh? Yeah, it's not far. Go up that. Alright, y'all, bikes are all packed up for the night. My GoPro died, so I didn't get the last things on footage, but I hope you guys enjoyed the edit. Hopefully you guys like where the channel's going. We're gonna keep doing the urban off-roading and making different episodes, but like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.